The Samsung Galaxy S10 might bring a self-healing display and no 5G, even if the company already built a chip capable. Sprint and LG are planning to actually do a 5G smartphone, aka the possible LG G8, and Apple is apparently focusing on building health chips as one thing to complement the Apple Watch. I'm Jaime Rivera, and since Diego is pretty much out of jokes and there's really nothing funny to say about Wednesday, I guess we're back to our regular scheduled programming. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today begin with leaks. I know, that's odd, but there are no deals today. So let's talk about the BlackBerry KEY2 LE, which I'm not sure if it's limited edition. What I do know is that the specifications are pretty much the same that we currently know. There's just a new blue color, or sort of bluish color. We have a possible event being teased on August 30th, which is pretty much IFA, and I'm going to be there, so it's going to be great. I will keep you posted. Now let's talk about Oppo, as the company pretty much just spilled the beans on the R17. We get to see its beautiful design with that teardrop notch at the front, beautiful glass in the back. Snapdragon 670, we always have known that Oppo R lines are, well, not necessarily of the best specifications, but great battery life. And probably what has us most intrigued is that many rumors claim that this is the design of the OnePlus 6T. So yeah, we'll see. Now let's talk about Apple, as there's a very interesting article that teases that the company is working on more health products, not just the Apple Watch. I feel the Apple Watch continues to be one of my favorite watches for fitness, even if I really only use it for fitness, but apparently there are some new sensors that the company is working on, even in combination with companies like ASICS, even with the whole deal that Apple already has with Nike. But yeah, sensors on shoes, sensors on clothes, stay tuned, that's going to be interesting. Now let's talk about Sprint and LG, as both companies have just launched the press release where they tell us that they will be working on the first ever 5G phone in the United States as of the first half of next year. First half, yes, 6 months. So we're talking about LG. This is most likely going to be the LG G8, I believe. And that's rather interesting, as we know that Moto has something, but then we've got rumors that LG is probably going to be alone in 5G, which is not necessarily good. And finally, the hot news today actually have to do with 5G and the Samsung Galaxy S10. Separate news. First is that the company, Samsung being, has just created an Exynos modem that's 5G capable. The problem is that the rumors are that this 5G capable modem is not going to make it to the Galaxy S10, that apparently this device won't bring the technology. On the other hand, we have the company also working on this self-healing display that might make it to the Galaxy S10 as part of the features, where even fingerprints are going to be apparently unsmudged somehow. I don't know how that's going to work. That's going to be really cool, but in today's question, let us know. What do you think about a Galaxy S10 with a self-healing display and no 5G at a time when probably the LG G8 will bring the technology? In my case, I know that it's going to take some time for 5G to deploy, but the more phones out there that have 5G, the better it's going to be, as this will allow a lot of phones to drop off LTE and just bring less congestion. So I know that it would be great for one of the best-selling phones to bring 5G, but we'll see. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you tomorrow.